Yeah, morning all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not, right? Yes.
Yes, sir. Screen is visible, sir, and you are audible, sir.
Yes. So data types. Now discussing on this data types, right? Yes. So as I discussed, right, how exactly we can define a variable, how to print their content, how to print their type and addresses, right? Data types. Data types are mainly are of two types. Data types are of two types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types, collection data types. Fundamental data type means object holding single value. Observe here, object holding single value. Example like x equal to 10. X equal to 10 means one object is created with the value 10. It is going to have some address. The address is given to x. Here, object holding single value. Collection data type, object holding group of values. Object holding group of values or set of values. Object holding, it's a collection of values or group of values, right? Example of this collection data types. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Object, so here object holding group of values or multiple values. Object holding multiple values. So object holding single value, fundamental type. Object holding group of values or multiple values, collection data type, right? Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types mainly are of 5 types. They're mainly of 5 types. Integer, float, Boolean, string, complex. Integer, float, Boolean, string, and complex. Age 25. Age 25, right? And float. Height 6.2. Boolean, true or false. String. Age 25, float height 6.2, Boolean true or false, city equal to Hyderabad, and complex. X plus IY, we need to say X plus IY. In general mathematics, we say X plus IY, right? In Python, we say instead of I, J. That is 3 plus 4J. Yes. And collection type, 4 types of collections. 4 types of collections like list, tuple, set, dictionary. List by using square bracket, tuple by using normal braces, set by using curly braces, dictionary also curly braces, but key and value. Collection of key and value pairs. List. Then 20, 30, 40, 50. Couple of values 10, 20, 30, right? Set of values, curly bracket, right? 10, 20, 30. By seeing the braces only, should identify what type of collection. List by using squared, tuple by using normal braces, set by using curly braces, dictionary by using key and value. Key and value, right? Yes, key and value means, for example, a dictionary. Name, Ajay. Age, 25. This is key, this is value. This is key and this is value. Key value, collection of key value pairs, we call it like a dictionary, right? Yes. So we got a lot of discussion on string, right? String indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, and string special characters, right? Yes. String. A string is a sequence collection of characters. It's a sequence collection of a string is a sequence collection of characters in Python. A string is represented. A string is represented. In Python, a string is represented using, yes, single quote, using double quote. Using triple quote. It is represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Each character of a string is represented or accessed each character of a string, right, is represented or accessed by unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index. Starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Positive index or forward index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. And negative index, right? Negative index or backward index. Negative index or backward index starts from right to left. Starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Positive index or forward index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. String supports two types of indexes. Positive index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Backward index or negative index, it starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Check this. Yes. X equal to, within double quotes, I'm specifying Python, Python. So internally one object gets created. Within this object, Python Python is going to have some address. The address is given to X. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward index or positive index. Forward index are positive. This is backward. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Forward index are positive, backward index are negative. All right. So here, what is the value of x of 2? Yes, try to answer, right? What is x of 2 value? X is the string, x of 2 is what?
T.
T. X of -2 is what?
0.
Oh, right. So you may ask a query, right? Here already we got positive index. Why again negative index required means if you got a very big string of more than 200 characters, I want to print the last character using positive index. It's too complex, right? So if you say x of -1, last character, x of -2, second last character, right? See, saying multi-line comments in Python start with triple quote, end with triple quote, start with triple quote, and end with triple quote. Okay. X equal to Python, X equal to Python. Print X prints that Python, right? Print X. Type of X, print type of X is what type? str, string type. Print len of X. Len of X is what? 6. Len of X is 6. Type of X, len of X. Type of X is string, len of X is 6. Print X of 2 value. T. Print X of -3 value. H. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming, right? Yes. Print X plus Y. Print X is one string, Y is another string. Two strings, if we had, we call it as concatenation. Concatenation means what? Adding two strings. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. Concatenation, adding two strings, first string followed by second string. First string followed by second string. Okay. Run module, right? Yes. Python programming, you got what? Python adding two strings, first string followed by second string, but I want space between these two. Python space programming means add three strings. X is one string, Y is one string, between those two, one more string, a blank string. Python place programming, Python programming, right? Yes. Fine, new file.
Blank string length is uh, 1 or 0, sir.
One
One.
blank,
Okay.
one blank space. If you give two blank spaces, you will get, right?
Each blank space is count 1.
Yeah, length of one, only one blank space. Now string slicing. String slicing, right? Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion. Extracting particular portion of a string, right? X equal to Python program. X equal to Python program, right? Yes. Print X. Python program. Yeah, I want to extract only Python from this. Extract only Python from this. Extract only Python. Slicing. We say slicing, right? Yes. How to slice? Print X of, what are the things you X of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0:0 to 6 we need to say. Actually it is 5, but I am giving 6. So this we call like lower bound, this we call like upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. X of 0 to 6. 6 excluded, up to 0 to 5 will take, right? Yes. Python. Next. Extract the middle portion of the string PROG. Only these 4 characters I want. Extract the middle portion, right? PROG, right? Yes. Try to answer. Everyone, try to give a response. How to extract PROG? Print X of, yes. X of, yes. Try to answer.
8:11.
0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even the blank space also takes 1, right? Index 6. And start with 7. 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want. 7 to 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want. 7 to 11. X of 7 to 11, right? It's ROG. Now, what if I say in this way, print in the opposite manner, print X of 11 to 7, X of 11 to 7, right? What is that value you get? 11 to 7.
GORP, sir.
Yes.
Sir, using a backward, can we print this program, sir?
Yes. 1 second.
Error will come.
First, what is that 7 to 11? If I say 11 to 7 means you will get empty string. Observe these things. Empty string. It prints empty string because always slicing will be in the forward direction. Always slicing in forward direction. Because always slicing in forward direction. 11 to 7, right? 7 to 11, okay. 7 to 11 means you are going in this way, forward. But 11 to 7, right? 11 to 7, you are going in backward, right? So it returns empty string. Run module, empty string. It's empty string, right? Here is an empty string. Next, for example, extract the entire word. Oh, okay. Before that, try to answer this. Extract PROG using negative index. Just now you asked a query, right? Extract PROG using negative index. Extract PROG using negative index.
Sir, print of X minus 7 to minus 4.
Print X of
Minus 7.
Yeah, using a negative index also should go in forward direction. -1, -2, -3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want.
Yeah.
-7 to -3. -7 to -3. -7, -6, -5, -4. Means, yes. -3 we need to do. -3 excluded means up to -4 it will take. -7 to -4. Run module. PROG, right? PROG. Understood, right? -7 to -3. PROG. Extract the word program. PROGRAM, right? Extract the word program. Now try to extract program using positive index. First you say me, next using negative index we'll discuss. Extract the word program. Extract the word program, right? Yes. Using positive index, try to answer everyone. X of 7,
14.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I give 13, M will be excluded, right? If I give 14, 14th index not available, right? But we can provide 14 because 14 excluded up to 13 only it will consider, right? 7 to 13.
Last index will be not considered, right?
Not considered. 14 it won't access, up to 7 to 13 only it will take. Okay, print 7 to 13. Otherwise, you can also say like print x of 7 to x of 7. Don't provide the upper bound. If we ignore the upper bound, it will reach from the 7th index to up to the end of the string. Up to the program, right? Yes. Yes, I'm coming to that. Yes, Pallavi. How to reverse a string, I'll discuss. Now here, yes, in this extract program, right? Yes. For example, extract program using negative index. Using negative index, x of
-7:0.
-7 to 0 means P, this P. Yeah, try to say -7 to. If I give -7 to -1, this M will be excluded, right? So don't give the upper bound. -7 to don't provide the upper bound. Both results program 7 to this 3 statements results what? Program. Run model. Don't, if you won't provide the upper bound, up to the end of the string it breaks. What if I ignore this lower bound? What if lower bound is ignored? Print x of, I won't give this lower bound, 6 I'll give, right? 6. By default, it will read from the start of the string. It will read from the start of the string to 6. Python, right? Yes. It reads from the start of the string to 6. 6 excluded up to 5 will take, right? Yes. Same like this and this results the same output, right? Now, what if I ignore both lower and upper bounds? X of lower bound and upper bound both are not provided, right? It prints the entire string, right? Entire string will be printed. Is it compulsory to use spaces here before and after? Hello. So if I won't give spaces also, it works similar to print x. Print x. X of 0 to remaining, right? X of 0 to remaining. Yes, what is the output you get for this? Right. These four statements, results the same output, right? Python, what is that?
Program.
Python program, entire string. The four statements results the same Python program, right? Yes. Now, for example, print. Can I take that combination of negative and positive index? Can I say like -7 to 11? Is it valid combination of negative and positive index? -7 means P. 11 means R. -7 to 11 means what is that output? PROG. -7 to 11. Yes, it works. Next, for example, print x of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. 0 to 14 with the increment of 2 means this is start value, stop value, and step value. Start value, stop value, and step value. Start value, stop value, and step value. Start value, stop value, and step. Step means 0 to 14 with increment of 2 means 0 index, 2 index, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Means only the even indexed characters, only the even indexed characters. Yes, case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. The variable X also, that is case sensitive. Lowercase, uppercase will be taken differently. You will get error if you give capital X. Yes. What if I give in this way, right? Print X of colon 2. What is the output? Same output like previous, right? 0 to 14, or this indicates same, right? So these two statements results the same output. Print. Now you asked, right, how to reverse a string. X of colon -1. This reverses the string. Reverses the string, right? Check it. Run module. Python program, right? Yes. Right. Next, observe this. There is a term called, there's a technical word like palindrome. Palindrome, right? What is palindrome? What is the palindrome, right? If we reverse a string, if we get the same string. Palindrome. It is a palindrome. Minus 7 to 11 means what is minus 7 to 11? Minus 7 means P. 11 means R. Minus 7 to 11, you are going in forward direction only, right? 11 means R excluded. PROG will be the output. Minus 7 to 11 means forward direction only. Yes, valid. If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it's a palindrome. Example of palindrome. Example of palindrome, right? MADAM, madam. If we reverse also, you will get the same thing. Malayalam. DAD. So in this way, right? If we reverse also, we will get the same string. For example, x equal to MADAM, right? Madam. Print x, it will print madam as this. If we reverse also, right? X of colon minus 1. Store the result in y. Print y. Run module, right? Yes. What is that? MADM, if x colon minus 1, MADAM, right? Madam. If we reverse also, we need to get the same string. Yes. Next is like string methods. We don't need to write huge codings in Python. We have got string methods. String methods, right? Yes. First, you have got a method like upper to print in uppercase. X equal to Hyderabad, right? Yes. Print x dot upper. Printing entire string as upper, right? Run module, printing this Hyderabad in uppercase. Second, lawyer, right? To print in lowercase, to print in lowercase. X equal to, yes, Mumbai. Print x dot lawyer, right? Print x dot lawyer. Mumbai in uppercase, right? Prints in lowercase. Run module. Next, we have what? See this third. X equal to India, INDIA, right? Print only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower case. Right. How can I do this? Print x dot capitalize X dot capitalize, right? Check it. Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Means what is capitalize, right? Capitalize. For capitalizing the first character. For capitalizing the first character of a string, right? Yes. Okay, fine. For example, X equal to what a string like this. Good morning, India. So here I want good morning, G in uppercase I want. How many words are there? 3 words, right? 3 words are there. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase I want. G in uppercase, M in uppercase, I also in uppercase I want. In such case, right, you can say X dot title, right? Print X dot title. X dot title, right? Yes. How many words? Each and every word, first character in the uppercase. G in uppercase, M in uppercase, I in uppercase, right? Title, right? Yes. For capitalizing the first character. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string, right? So here, how many words are there? Each and every word, first character in the uppercase, right? Good morning, Hyderabad. Good morning, India, right? Yes, sir. For example, one more. Employees are there. Employees details. Employees are like this. Rahul, Blake, Ajay, James, Miller, Amar. In this way, we got some 100 employee names. 100 employee names are there. Each and every employee name, first character I want in uppercase. Each and every employee name, first character, right? So print EMPS dot. EMPS dot title.
Sir, sorry, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how long this class will go, sir?
Just 2 minutes more.
Okay, sir.
Run module. So R in uppercase, B in uppercase, A in uppercase, J, M, A, right? Rahul, Blake, Ajay, James, Miller, Amar, right? Yes. Everything in uppercases.
Sir, what is EMPS means, sir, here?
Employees, this is string name, right?
Oh, string name. Okay, okay.
Entire string dot title. Here, X is what? This string name. X dot title means entire string. How many words are there? That.
Okay, sir.
Same way.
Yeah, but
Sir, where you are typing this program?
So
ID?
yes.
Which ID you are using?
So whenever we install Python, right? Yes. So whenever we install Python, right? Yes. So check your in this apps, right? In the start menu, go to start menu, check it where your Python is available. Python 3.11. Ideally, you will see, right? Ideally. If you click this ideally, you will get this Python shell gets open in this page. Right? And here file, new file, write your code and run your code here. Run module.
Okay.
And if before running, you need to save it. File save. Right? Control S.
Without saving the file won't run. Is it?
So without saving, we cannot execute.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sign. So one replace means for replacing a portion of a string. Just 1 minute. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string, x equal to, for example, Java is easy. Java is easy. If you say like print x dot replace, print x dot replace the word Java with Python. The word Java with Python, right? Yes. What it says? X dot replace Java with Python means it says Python is easy. Replace Java with Python. It says what? Python is easy, right? Replacing. In this way, we have got many methods. We don't need to write huge codes, like not only this upper, lower, capitalized titles replace. We have got many more methods like swap case, count, find, strip, format, join, is alpha, is numeric, right? In this way, we have got many more methods, right? We'll be discussing more methods of these strings. Still, we have got more discussion on strings, string methods, string functions, string special characters, right? Still, we have got more discussion. So that we'll discuss in the tomorrow session. But tomorrow, the link is going to change, right? Tomorrow, the link is going to change. So everyone need to get enrolled, right? Yes. By paying that fees, they're getting enrolled and you will be getting the link to your mail ID, right? Yes.
sir, I got it. I got it. Thank you, sir. Sure.
Fine.
Hello.
So, and
Sir,
tomorrow a WhatsApp group is going to get created. So
Sir, how many days, sir, this course will be?
1 second. People who go for Python for an advanced, right? 1 second. Okay. So yes, see this course content, you can compare this course content, right? You can check it. It's with any other training sites we are discussing in brief in depth. So it's totally like 70 to 75 hours only for Python core and advanced, like 2.5 months it takes for Python. Total Python core advanced and application oriented models. Even I'll be discussing some models related to data science like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, right? Which are most important models used for data science and for normal usage like Pandas and Matplotlib.
And sir, this one
Thank you.
it will be beneficial for big data research.
Pandas model for big data you can be used. Pandas model. And for plotting visualizations, we go for Matplotlib.
Okay, sir, I
Num.
want to ask you another. Sir, will you cover the mini project here in this batch
So
for
apart
Python
from,
advanced?
so 1 second, Python core advanced is there, right? And apart from this, people who go for full stack, where I'll be discussing web development, please be in mute. Yes, people who go for full stack, like web development will be discussed, like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript will be discussed. And apart from that, with Django framework of Python for developing applications in Python, like Django framework. Yes, and a project, so right? So people who go for full stack, right? Like Python core advanced, web development, Django framework, and project, everything is going to be covered. The fee structure for only Python core and advanced is 5,000, but the entire full stack, if you want to go, like the fee structure is 10,000, right? Fine. And
No, sir. What I'm asking, will you cover project, mini project in the only core and advanced Python?
core
You
and
cover the project in Django. I'm
sales,
not asking about the Django. I'm just asking core and Python.
using Python, using learning Python core and advanced is just a language you are learning, but implementations you need to know, right? Where you will be implementing this Python code means in see, if you go, there are two categories of people who learns Python. Observe here, there are two categories of people who updates Python, right? See here, first category of people, right? So Python, who learns Python, right? First category of people, right? Their career won't be in Python. Their career will be in data science or big data or writing automation scripts in AWS, DevOps, IoT, robotics. Means here, the first category of people, they update Python and they use Python as an implementation within this data science in big data like Spark, like PySpark, in writing automation scripts in AWS, DevOps, IoT, and robotics. Their career will be in this. So these people, after learning Python, if you want to do, like if you see academic projects, they do like Python with data science, they do a lot of Python with data science. Means data science implementation using Python. So that ML techniques, machine learning techniques, they'll be implementing, right? Second category of people who wants to have a career in Python, like a Python developer, right? Python developer at right, Python full stack developer, right? So those people need to have compulsory should have knowledge on this Django framework. The Django framework is compulsory. If you want to have a career in Python, you want to go as a Python developer, the Django framework is compulsory. Where MVT architecture is followed here, model view templates, model like databases, view like Python functional based views, class based views, templates like using HTML, CSS. So how this interaction between the databases, Python, and the web page, how it goes, right? Everything you will be seeing within this Django framework. And many applications will be creating and will be showing you, right? So in the Django framework, so I'll be showing you, I said 15 to 20 applications. 15 to 20 applications I'll be showing you, right? Step by step, you will be doing along with me parallelly. So you can just check this. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this way. 15 to 20 applications will make them create, as I said, like that. And one project, right, will be discussed for this. Yes, fine. So once again, you can just go to the course content, right? Yeah, any other queries?
Sir, if you're learning Django, means you can, how many years of experience you can have?
Pardon?
Means after learning Django, means full stack, Python plus Django. So how many years of experience we can raise?
Yeah, that's what. Yes, be in mute. Yes. So a typical 3 plus 4 years of experience, Python developer, right? How much experience is got? You are going to get that kind of because totally 70 to 75 hours will be spending on Python. Nearly 50 hours will be spending on this full stack, this other like the web development and the Django, totally 125 hours of course, right? After discussing 125 hours with these many applications, 15 to 20 applications creations, and in Python nearly 300 plus code examples, right? You will be getting great command on this Python, right?
So 6 a.m. batch is there, right? Once that batch is complete, we will continue Django, right? In that batch.
Which batch?
6 a.m. before this batch. 6 a.m.
6 M batch started, right? Almost 1 month back.
Yeah, okay. But once this batch is over, means core and advanced Python, then you start Django there, right?
No. I see people who wants to go for 1 second. People who wants to go for Django or full stack, right? If you want to complete within 2 months or 2.5 months also, right? You can. Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. People who wants, if it doesn't want 4 months, total full stack is for 4 months, right? Only Python is Python core and advanced for 2 months or 2.5 months. So, but if you want to complete everything total full stack in 2 months, in weekdays you will be going with Monday to Friday with Python, and in the weekends with the Django, right? Saturday and Sunday, 2 hours will be there, classes will be there on Django. Means we go with first with web development, next like Django framework, other things, right? Where you can complete in 2 to 2.5 months the total full stack if you go parallelly. Means after once you get enrolled, you can attend any of my batches, right, of Django whenever I start. Yes.
Okay. Means, finally, I can join another batch for learning Django.
Yes. So once you get enrolled, you can attend any of my Django batch. And Python also, right? Once you get enrolled, once because of some shift changes or because of some your job timings change, you can, if your shift is changed, even you can attend my evening batches. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Could you tell me, means which batch, in which batch Django is going on, so that I can tell you.
So once, okay, everything will be posted in the WhatsApp group, right? Tomorrow your WhatsApp group is created. So whatever the batches, Python or Django batches are starting, everything will be posted in the group, WhatsApp group, right? Any new batch is going to start, right? Right. So I'm stopping for here. So hope if I'm done with your queries, if there are no other queries, I'll sign off for now. So meet you tomorrow, same time at 7 o'clock, but the link is will be different. Check your mails, right? To your mails, you'll be getting the new link.